Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss about engine hesitation. Engine hesitation occurs when there is a brief delay or interruption in the engine's smooth and consistent power delivery, typically experienced during acceleration or when the engine is under load. When the engine is experiencing hesitation, the driver may notice one or more of the following symptoms: delayed acceleration response, rough or uneven idling, intermittent stalling, engine misfiring, and loss of power. 1. Delayed acceleration response. When the driver presses the accelerator pedal, there is a noticeable delay before the engine responds and the vehicle begins to accelerate. This delay can feel like the engine is stumbling or sputtering when the driver is trying to apply more throttle. The engine may initially hesitate or feel unresponsive before eventually building up power and propelling. The fuel system plays a crucial role in the proper operation of an engine, and issues within this system can directly contribute to engine hesitation. Here's a more detailed explanation. The fuel system is responsible for delivering the correct amount of fuel to the engine's cylinders at the right time. It consists of several components, including the fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel lines, fuel filter, and fuel injectors. Some common fuel system-related causes of engine hesitation include clogged fuel filter. A blocked or restricted fuel filter can reduce the flow of fuel to the engine, causing hesitation during acceleration. Weak or failing fuel pump. If the fuel pump is unable to provide sufficient fuel pressure and volume, the engine may not receive the required amount of fuel, resulting in hesitation. Dirty or malfunctioning fuel injectors. Fuel injectors that are clogged or not functioning correctly can spray fuel inconsistently, creating an improper air-fuel mixture and leading to hesitation. Key sensors involved in car hesitation. 1. Mass airflow sensor (MAF) measures the amount of air entering the engine. A faulty MAF can lead to incorrect fuel-air mixtures, resulting in hesitation. 2. Throttle position sensor (TPS) monitors the throttle plate position. A malfunctioning TPS can disrupt the engine's response to accelerator input. 3. Manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensor measures the pressure in the intake manifold. Issues with the MAP sensor can affect the engine's air-fuel ratio. 4. Oxygen sensors (O2 sensors) monitor the exhaust gases to determine the air-fuel mixture. Faulty O2 sensors can lead to engine hesitation and poor fuel economy. 5. Crankshaft position sensor (CKP) detects the position of the crankshaft. A faulty CKP can cause misfires and hesitation. 6. Engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor measures the coolant temperature. An inaccurate ECT sensor can affect the engine's performance and fuel economy. 7. Intake air temperature (IAT) sensor measures the temperature of the air entering the engine. A faulty IAT sensor can affect the air-fuel mixture. Ignition system failures and engine hesitation. The ignition system is responsible for providing the timed, high-voltage spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture in the engine's cylinders. When there are issues with the ignition system, it can directly contribute to engine hesitation. Some of the common ignition system-related causes of engine hesitation include worn or fouled spark plugs. Spark plugs that are worn, damaged, or coated with deposits may not be able to generate a strong enough spark to reliably ignite the air-fuel mixture. This can lead to misfires and hesitation, especially during acceleration. Faulty ignition coils. The ignition coils are responsible for transforming the low voltage from the battery into the high voltage needed to fire the spark plugs. If an ignition coil is malfunctioning, it may not be able to provide the proper spark, resulting in hesitation and performance issues. Damaged ignition wires. The ignition wires carry the high voltage spark from the coils to the spark plugs. Worn, cracked, or damaged ignition wires can disrupt the proper delivery of the spark, leading to inconsistent combustion and hesitation. Exhaust system restrictions and engine hesitation. The exhaust system plays a crucial role in the proper operation of an engine, and restrictions within this system can contribute to engine hesitation. Two common exhaust-related issues that can cause hesitation are clogged catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is responsible for reducing harmful emissions by converting them into less toxic substances. Over time, the catalytic converter can become clogged or restricted due to the buildup of deposits, engine oil contamination, or other factors. A clogged catalytic converter creates backpressure in the exhaust system, which can restrict the flow of exhaust gases and lead to engine hesitation, especially during acceleration. Restricted muffler or exhaust pipe. The muffler and exhaust pipe are designed to reduce noise and direct the flow of exhaust gases out of the vehicle. If the muffler or exhaust pipe becomes clogged or restricted, it can create backpressure in the system, similar to a clogged catalytic converter. This backpressure can impede the engine's ability to effectively expel exhaust gases, resulting in hesitation and reduced engine performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like it and leave a comment. If you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button.